My name is Npsc Asare, and I am representing the prestigious Aburi Girls Senior High School. In the words of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., peace is not merely a goal that we seek to achieve, it's a means through which we arrive at that goal. What is peace? Peace is not what I see in the year 2012. I see headlines, I see videos, people fighting to bring people seated in the comforts of their homes into power. Elections are over and whoever won. The winner's victory did not take away all the pain and casualties that were brought about by unstrategic advocacy. A drunk initiating a fight because he'd heard some blasphemy against the political party he supports is not my definition of peace either. Peace is what candidates shaking hands in the year 2020 are seeking to promote. Supporters, however, cannot take a hint and continue to support with their lives. Literally. I also see police officers chasing hooligans who do not want democracy to take its course and have decided to steal ballots. The Ghana Police Service recorded 5 cases of deaths in relation to electoral violence in that same year. There have been several cases of election-related violence recorded around several parts of the country. However, it is said that there is no smoke without fire. Recent data shows increasing levels of indecent language used on the airways as well as an increasingly politicized security sector, creating a tense electoral environment. The media also plays a role as it has been proven to be unregulated and politicized, playing a critical role in election-related violence. It's the year 2024. It's almost that time again. Peace is what I would like to see from now till December. I would like to reach out to the stakeholders involved. The political parties should preach messages of peace and goodwill in their attempt to attain power. The Electoral Commission should make safety a topmost priority by providing safety at the polls through security and enforcing strict rules and regulations, making an example out of the miscreants who decide to flout those rules. The electorate moving to the polls with peace on our minds. Let us remember the wise words of Luther King. Let us remember that in context, free and fair elections spearheaded by peace is the means through which we arrive at the goal of model democracy. Let us keep in mind, brothers and sisters, that blood was shed historically, so blood will not be shed presently. It's the year 2024. I don't want to see a repetition of history. I don't want to see people get hurt for people whose victory won't erase that pain. Brothers and sisters, today I leave you with the words of Naomi Klein. Democracy is not simply the right to vote, it is the right to dignity. Long live democracy, long live the voters, long live our homeland Ghana. Thank you.